Hi, my name is Elise, and I am the chef of Tres Sueños. My favorite charter memory would definitely be this past New Year's. We had an amazing family that it was their first time to be here in the islands, so getting to sing and dance and ring in the new year and experience the islands through their eyes was amazing. My favorite hobbies in between charters are I love to travel. I've traveled quite extensively. I've been to 35 countries so far, and I keep adding new spots to the list. So when I'm not down here on the yacht, I'm always traveling and trying to experience new cultures and new places. I enjoy hosting families just to experience everything through their eyes again. When you live here and then you get to see a new family and see how they're seeing it for the first time when it's something you see every day, it's just the best experience, and it makes it all worthwhile to have them here. I got into sailing. I always grew up, when I grew up, I loved sailing as a kid. And then I originally was chartering boats and then moved into combining my love of cooking and sailing and making a career out of it. My cooking style has been influenced originally from my grandmother. Her and I always when I grew up, she was always teaching me in the kitchen with me, showing me how to work everything. And then when I started traveling, I discovered different cultures and started trying to expand my cooking and take classes and learn from each place that I have traveled. My favorite anchorage in the VIs would definitely be off of Virgin Gorda. I love going up by Necker and Little Necker. It's absolutely beautiful when you take the guests there and they can see Necker Island and then they can see Little Necker. They are always impressed and love it, and it just is usually the best day for them. Plus, when you're in Virgin Gorda and they get to see the baths and they get to experience one of the major sightseeing spots of the BVI, it's worth it. My favorite vacation I ever was taken would have to probably be, I would say, Greece. It was a sailing trip there. I did 3 different sailing trips in Greece, and I got to see the majority of the islands.